So this is the WOLFBOX MegaFlow 200, or also known as the MF200. And when they labeled this as a super power turbofan, they were not lying. Hands down, this air blower or air duster has been the most powerful one that I have ever used. It also has some really cool features that you don't see on a lot of air blowers. So I really want to thank the company for sending it to me to check out. So let's just start with the power on this thing. It has been so unbelievable. I have literally been able to tackle every task around my house with this one portable handheld device. It's powerful enough to blow the leaves right off of your driveway, which is great for someone like me who doesn't have one of those big leaf blowers. You can just take this outside handheld and get that driveway completely clean, and it tackles cobwebs in an instant like no other. I feel like now I'm actually going to be able to maintain my house in a better condition. And talking about maintaining things on the inside as well, of course you can dust your keyboard with it. That is a big one for me since I do work from home. I often eat over my desk and get crumbs all in those little keyboard keys. And even hard to reach cleaning areas. If you have small spaces that are very hard to actually get in with your hands and clean, mine is always my air fryer. It has these little grooves in the bottom of it, and I always seem to spill seasoning and things when I am cooking my food. And watch this thing just get all of those little pieces of gunk right out of there. Now, other than blowing air and cleaning things, this can also be used for blowing up air mattresses or things like that. So it would be also great for camping. And speaking of camping or just being portable, the coolest feature of this is the fact that it has a removable battery pack. There is a little button on the side that you just press and hold, and you can remove the battery pack, and then installing a battery pack is just as easy as pushing it in until it clicks. So you can actually purchase additional battery packs and always have one charged up on hand, ready to go. And it's also super simple to use. It did come with different attachments. So if you're trying to blow up air mattresses, or if you're trying to get in smaller spaces, or if you're blowing leaves and you need a bigger head, these are easy to change. You just twist them and take them off. And of course, there's grooves on these that match up. And so if you want to change it, you just put the other one in the grooves and twist it on, and there you go. There's also two modes of functionality. You have automatic and manual. Now there's 3 speeds, low, medium, and high, or slow, moderate, and fast. However you want to consider those. There is a power button on the back. You can press and hold this power button and you see the lights light up. And if all 3 lights are lit up, then you are on high speed. And of course you can click the power button once, twice, or 3 times to go down from high speed, medium speed, low speed, back to high speed. Now, if you want to use this on automatic mode, once you long press and hold the power button and have it light up, you're going to set your speed by pressing the power button first, and then the button on the front, you will just press it once, and it will come on and stay on. Now, if you just are doing something where you want to apply air, stop, apply air, and stop, then you might want to use it in manual mode. In that case, you just power it on and then press the button. And as you hold the button, the air comes out, and when you let go, it stops. So love the fact that you can do automatic or manual. There might be times when you want one or the other. And of course, speaking of the battery pack, there is a charging level indicator with lights right on the battery pack. And it does use a standard USB-C charging cable that did come with it. Now in the box, it did come with a little travel dust bag, so you can keep all of your nozzles, your charging cable, and your air blower together. You can throw it in a bag if you're taking it camping, throw it in a drawer. This thing just has so many uses. If you are looking for a do-it-all air blower tool that is completely portable and always ready to go, I highly recommend this one.